Hello everybody, my name is Splurge. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the green screen for when you're playing virtual reality headsets. I'm going to be showing you through this in OBS. I'm going to turn off my camera right now just so you can see what I'm doing. And then you're going to want to right click when you have your camera in here. And when you right click it, you're going to want to go to filters. When you go to filters, you're going to want to put the chroma key. And then after putting the chroma key, usually you have to adjust things. I usually don't play around with these settings too much unless I have to. And the best tip that I can advise is if you have a little bit of lighting and it doesn't hit all the way. But for right now, in my case, it's morning, so I get some good lighting right now, and should have the green screen fine. And another tip here would be to crop it. If you are having this problem up here, like I'm having when you see me doing my live streams, this here would be right side. And you do the right side. Boom. Now, I'm greened out, and that's how you're able to get the green screen.